Hey guys, today we're going to talk about GCP, Google Platform Managed Notebooks. For those who don't know where to find it, it's in the Vertex AI section. So you go to your Google Cloud platform, you search for Vertex AI, which weirdly enough never gets suggested to me. Like BigQuery is always in there, and I most regularly use Vertex AI. So that's kind of strange, but whatever. So we go here. You have the user managed notebooks, which are for you to work, like the name already suggests, as a user, and you do your explorative data analysis and get basically your stuff done and can present it to your client and whatever. But in order to make execution or schedules, you would need to write a cloud function, which is well, where you would need the skill to do so in order to manage your or schedule your user managed notebooks. But if you want to do that automatically, our friends from Google did the managed notebooks, which is kind of a very nice idea because you have here the execute button. So you see that's I do the tutorial here for the first time. So I still have to enable the APIs, but you have the execute button, and so you can schedule your notebook run through, which is pretty awesome. Also, whenever that runs through, you have the thank you. We are coming to that file serving error in a second. This is the only purpose why I do this video, to give Google a heads up, so they might make it better next time. I mean, the products live from their community. Look at Battlefield. So I'm taking that role for Google Cloud Platform, if I may. So yeah. So we're coming back to this error. So while this is loading up, I still talk about some other background information. So you have here the integration with Google Cloud Storage. You have direct integration with BigQuery, which is also pretty awesome. And you have your Git integration, which isn't working yet. And there we begin to talk about the shortcomings of the managed notebooks. And out of my opinion, it isn't production ready yet. It all feels like beta. And you will find some reference if you look it up. There's a very painful saving error. So your kernel may load up, like you're working in R or Python or whatever, and you're working for like more than 30 minutes, and you're doing a lot of like working with big loads, like let's say a terabyte of data. At some point, out of my experience, the saving is gonna stop. Like, and you have no chance at all. Like, you can duplicate your notebook. You can, well, you can try to download it to your local system. You can do anything at all. It will not work. You have no chance but to like copy paste your checkpoints. Yeah, thanks again. And here we have the saving error. You can copy paste your checkpoint to a local file, like really like Control F, Control C, Control V, in order to save what you did. But this is so painful. Okay, we're getting here nowhere also, which is also kind of painful. So just case in point, sorry, point in case, the managed notebook framework from GCP in Vertex AI isn't for you production ready yet. You will get sooner or later the saving error, and all like you see, I already did here notebook and it's gone what I did. So let's just paste some dummy code here. Let's select R, And okay, now the kernel is initializing, and then you can run your code, and you did your day's work basically, and then you save it. And here it also shows saving, so that won't show after like 30 minutes, at least for me. And I worked well, a bit in the managed notebook framework. And then if you want to come back and check, like you do something else and you want to come back and check what you did so far, it just won't save what you did, and you will have issues. Uh, yeah, thanks. Also, you might have issues with your kernels. So this is just a head up. If you have other experience in that, let me know. But how I proceed when making a YouTube video, I always look up like, is there already reference for um, for the error or problem I have, and if if there is no reference, then I will make a YouTube video about it. And if you look it up, like GCP managed notebooks, we have like of course the Google documentation references, and then we have here video from 4 years ago, so 2018. But nobody talks about this error. But you will find references if you look it up about having those problems. So it's not only me. So please Google correct that. Thanks and bye.